Well, here we go again on this PE-104a power supply. So it turns out I put in the wrong capacitors. How can I do that? So it turns out this thing takes .5s, and I had like 10 microfarads in here, so that was totally wrong. I fired this thing up, and I was getting filament voltage of 7 volts, which would burn the tubes out, and I was getting a very low B plus voltage in the 30 volt range. So I thought something's amiss here, and checked the old capacitors, and these are .5, so I didn't see the .5 there. I just said, oh, I'll put in 10s. So that didn't work out too well. So now I have .55s in here. All these yellow ones are the .55. So they look a little smarter. And they're all in. Didn't take me that long. So let's try it out again and see how it goes. Yeah, when you fix these things, you want to definitely test them before they apply power to the radio. You want to turn these on and just make sure the voltages look nice. I was getting about 4 volts, I think, out of the 1.4, and I was getting about 34 volts of B plus, which wouldn't have worked out. So, well, I got the right values in here now. Let's see what happens. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.